Roadhog! My favorite nephew. A ride through the mountains? Oh, be careful of those mountain girls, Waldo. They always get their man.
Ah, the Blue Ridge Mountains. How peaceful and serene.
It's for you, Martins.
Nice one for you, McGoys.
Hey, are you sure it's safe driving in these here hills, Presley?
Safe as if you were home in bed, Waldo, chum.
Oh, look, Prez. Martin Zone. McGoys, keep out. Do you suppose there's a feud going on?
Oh, nonsense, Waldo. Probably an old sign. These mountain folk are loaded with hospitality.
Let's get out of here, Prez.
Be you McGoys or be you Martins?
This here is Presley, and I'm Waldo Magoo.
Magoo? Well, it's close enough. Head for the cabin. You did us a good turn. We owe you a debt of gravity.
Think nothing of it, friends. A little moolah will cover the expenses.
Little moolah? Little moolah? Of course. That's a right smart idea. She's about due for hitching.
Her?
Oh, little moolah!
There you go.
Gosh.
I think there's a bit of misunderstanding here.
They better not be. One of you is going to be a groom.
Yes, of course, Tits, of course. My friend Waldo will be glad to accept the honor.
Say, this calls for celebration. We'll dress formal. White shotguns. We can invite the Martins. Did I see something wrong, Luke? No, Martins. Where's the groom?
That way.
Follow me, Elmo.
I don't want to be a groom.
Which way to go? Thanks. Oh, Luke, we'll not invite no Martins. But Luke, I said no Martins. The groom is right there. What? Why didn't you say so? I did. Oh, where be that groom? Luke, it's nervous to tell you that I seen a barrel walking. Would you believe it? What barrel walking? Where? Over there. Don't harm me, groom.
Martin's all. McGoys, keep out.
We're safe, Prez.
Shucks.
It's a McGoy barrel.
Retreat, Waldo! You and your walking barrels. It's a running now, Luke. Huh? When I give the word, we'll jump Elmo. Now, Elmo. Got him, Luke. Ready, Elmo? Ready, Luke. Aim. Aiming, Luke. Fire! What's that?
Come on, Waldo. Get her going.
Well, there goes our groom, Luke. Not so fast, Elmo. Be ye a Martin, or be ye a McGoy? Oh, your name's Magoo. It's close enough.